You are standing in the middle of a busy shop. Cars are backed up out the door, and you are staring at a dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree. You need answers, and you need them 5 minutes ago. On your workbench sit two of the most powerful diagnostic tablets on the market, the heavyweights of the industry. Choosing between them is not just about features. It is about how they feel when you are actually in the trenches. One of these tools is an absolute beast. It feels like it could survive being run over by a truck, and it offers a level of depth that is hard to match. It handles the deepest system scans, complex computer coding, and active tests with a sense of raw power. It covers almost every vehicle you will ever see pull into your bay, from domestic daily drivers to exotic imports. But there is a catch. Using it can feel like navigating a maze. The interface is powerful, but it is cluttered, and sometimes you have to take the long way around through the menus to get where you need to go. In a high-pressure environment, those extra taps and those extra seconds add up. Now, look at its main rival. This tool feels like it was designed by people who actually use these things every day. It is sleeker, it is more responsive, and the touchscreen feels as smooth as a modern flagship smartphone. When you are toggling through live data parameters, trying to catch a momentary glitch in a sensor, that clarity is everything. This refined tablet presents information in a way that is easy to digest at a glance, whereas the bulkier powerhouse tends to cram everything together until it feels overwhelming. And let us talk about speed. When you push a command for an active test, you want a response. The sleeker unit is snappy. It executes commands almost instantly. The heavier flagship, well, it sometimes takes a beat to think. It is just a second or two, but it is noticeable when you are on the clock and the customer is waiting in the lobby. Even the way these machines stay current is different. The refined tool seems to get updates out faster, and the process is much more intuitive. You are not fighting with the software just to get the latest vehicle coverage. Then there's the physical side of the job. Holding a heavy tablet while you are leaning over an engine bay for an hour is a workout you did not ask for. One of these feels balanced and light in the hand. The other feels like a solid brick. Both are rugged. Both are professional. But one is definitely easier on your wrist during a long diagnostic session. At the end of the day, when it is time to generate a report for a customer, you want it to be simple. One makes it a breeze to export and share your findings. The other makes the process feel complex and a bit more rigid. If you want a tool that feels fast, modern, and intuitive, the refined contender is the clear winner for most shops. But if you want that massive scanning history and rock-solid reliability despite the clunky menus, the heavy-duty flagship still earns its place. It is a choice between raw muscle and refined performance. Both will get the job done, but one will make you feel a lot less frustrated while you do it.